the power of forgiveness in friendships. Friendships, like any meaningful connection, are woven together with memories, shared laughter, and sometimes disagreements and misunderstandings. In these moments of tension, forgiveness becomes a powerful tool, offering a way forward to repair and even deepen the bond. While forgiveness might seem like a challenging path, it brings about immense healing and strengthens friendships in ways that simple conflict resolution cannot. Imagine friendships as gardens, lush and beautiful but prone to weeds from time to time. These weeds could be hurtful words, disappointments, or broken promises. Just as a gardener diligently pulls out weeds to allow flowers to thrive, forgiveness enables us to clear out the bitterness that might otherwise cloud a cherished friendship. When we choose to forgive, we're not just allowing the other person back into our lives, we're creating space for trust, compassion, and growth to flourish. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting what happened or dismissing the hurt that was caused. Instead, it allows individuals to acknowledge the pain, reflect on what went wrong, and move forward with a clearer understanding. This process can bring closure to conflicts, turning them into stepping stones toward a more resilient friendship. For many, one of the hardest parts of forgiveness is setting aside pride and vulnerability. Admitting hurt and expressing a desire to rebuild can feel risky, as it opens the door to rejection. However, it is precisely this vulnerability that fosters genuine closeness. When one friend bravely reaches out to forgive or ask for forgiveness, it signals an unspoken commitment to the friendship. A significant benefit of forgiveness in friendships is the reduction of stress and anxiety. Holding on to resentment or unresolved conflict creates an emotional burden that can strain the connection. Studies have shown that forgiving someone can lower stress, enhance mental health, and even improve physical well-being. Releasing bitterness and letting go of grudges not only promotes peace within the friendship but also contributes to a friend's overall happiness. This approach fosters an environment where friends can feel safe being honest and open, knowing they are supported rather than judged. Another essential aspect of forgiveness in friendships is the element of empathy. By putting oneself in the other's shoes, one can better understand the motives or challenges that might have led to the misunderstanding. Friendships are built on the shared humanity between individuals, and forgiveness invites empathy and compassion to take center stage. For instance, a friend may have been acting out of character due to stress, or they might have been unaware of how their words or actions impacted us. By considering these factors, we gain insight into their perspective, making it easier to offer forgiveness and maintain harmony. Forgiveness also teaches us valuable lessons in patience and humility. Friendships require effort, patience, and the understanding that people are not perfect. We all make mistakes, and by forgiving others, we acknowledge this universal truth. This acknowledgement can be transformative, allowing us to see both our friends and ourselves in a kinder light. Instead of expecting perfection, forgiveness encourages acceptance of flaws, paving the way for a more relaxed and enjoyable friendship. Incorporating forgiveness into friendships strengthens resilience within the bond. It helps us learn to work through challenges, appreciate each other's growth, and create a safe space for emotional support. For example, a friend who feels forgiven is more likely to apologize openly and commit to improving. This dynamic creates a cycle of trust and growth that benefits both friends. Forgiveness may sometimes require time. Not every disagreement can be instantly brushed off. However, patience, empathy, and open communication can guide the way to forgiveness. Ultimately, forgiveness is a choice, a gift we give ourselves and our friends. It lifts the weight of resentment and makes room for laughter, joy, and companionship to return. As we nurture forgiveness in our friendships, we become not only better friends but better people, equipped with the grace and strength to overcome life's challenges. Choosing forgiveness means choosing friendship over pride, healing over hurt, and connection over distance. In this choice lies the true power of forgiveness, a transformative force that allows us to reconnect, grow, and treasure the friendships that enrich our lives.